Today we have Lalasa from Chennai and UiPath MVP for third time and UiPath chapter leader. Hearty congratulations for that.
Thank you, Nikhil. Thank you so much.
So my small question is like how AI will impact the automations. So what kind of suggestions or how do you take it?
Uh, should I hold it?
No problem.
Okay. So that's a good question. I have been actually wondering if there is a single day in the recent times we're not talking about AI or not reading about AI, isn't it? So it has played a very massive effect till date. From the AI conversation and chatbots, which use large language models, to predicting customer churns, to predicting employee attrition, AI is doing everything. And now, recently, it is also handling the pretext, which a human can talk. It is making it machine readable, isn't it? So, a probable question might come, if AI is doing everything, what am I supposed to do? We humans are meant to think. And there is something which AI cannot do. Can you guess what it is? It is innovation. AI will never be able to innovate something, and we as a human are capable to do that. So I think it is a huge time for us to start thinking and working on our interpersonal skills, improving our ability to innovate things. Maybe something related to customer management. AI will never be able to talk to your customers, isn't it? So we as humans can do whatever is meant for us to do, which involves brains. And remaining, let the machine do it. No problem.
It was a really wonderful answer and thank you so much and hearty congratulations for all the work you do and all the best for 2024.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.